Chasalo Rajakhor Aguli Bojungnagar LPG bottling plant ni Luwajijakma bai Agortala jibi Sakham nokni blood bank okhlaijak sakmusungai Rumani Panda
Koktuma thumnai rokno sanani thangai Bojungnagar LPG bottling plant ni Khoroksa employee Shaka Indian Well Corporation business ni logyo shimiya Indian Well Corporation society ni Shaka bo barjatongo hane aboni bagai no Chasalo agoli Bojungnagar LPG bottling plant Luwajijakma bai sakmusungai Thwi Rumani Panda khlaijaka hane Panda o kabangma lukorok sakmusungai thirolaikha hane bo Shaka
Actually Indian Oil Corporation जो है सिर्फ ये बिजनेस से मतलब नहीं होता है. We are doing this blood donation because we are a socially responsible corporate, and because of that Indian Oil is very concerned about the society, and in the least level that possible we are trying to donate whatever blood possible from our side so that it will be used as used for saving lives whoever is in need. So it's mainly because IOC is a socially responsible corporate. We are doing all this blood donation camp from time to time, and today we are doing at GB Hospital, organized by LPG bottling plant Indian Oil Corporation at Bojangnagar. Thank you.
What would name?
I am Zephaniah Panme. I am in charge of the LPG bottling plant at Agartala, Bojangnagar LPG plant.
Rajakhor agulini shimi pranab shilni kokthum Chini Khorang.